Hi, this is Tyler, and today I'm going to show you how to fold an origami bookmark off Teach This. To do this, you will need a glue stick, some scissors, and a printed template for one of our origami corner bookmarks. Start by cutting out around the outside of the box of your template. Best to cut slowly and carefully because you need as perfect a square as possible. Once that's done, you can cut out the accessories that come with your template as well. Each one will be different. The first fold is to fold diagonally across the big line indicated on your template. Match up those corners as precisely as possible and give it a nice firm crease. This is the line here highlighted on this Santa template. Let's see that one more time. We flip it over and we fold the opposite corners together and crease to make a nice triangle. Next, we open up our template and fold on the second line indicated on the template to bring one corner into the middle. That's this line here for fold number 2. Let's see that one more time. We open up the diagonal line we've made and we fold again to that new center line. The next folds are to bring in the other corners into the middle. This is going to make our little tabs that'll be necessary to hold our bookmark together. So that's 2 folds, both of the corners in, and those are going to turn into little tabs. Take a look at them here. They're alongside the face of your template. Again, we'll watch it again. Fold the 2 outside corners into the middle to match with our fold number 2. There's fold 3 and 4, and when we close the first one back up, we end up with little tabs. Here's our final step, step 5. We bring both edges of the triangle up towards the top, and we can see our face coming together. Crease those, and the next step is to take the little flags or tabs we've made and tuck them into the middle. There we go. There's Santa. Here's another picture of fold 5. And we'll see it again. Taking that corner up to the top, number 1, creasing it sharply, and number 2, both parts of fold number 5. And in case you're wondering, yes, these are my hands. And tucking those, once we've creased it, tucking those tabs into the middle of the bookmark. This is going to be what holds it all together. We don't need any glue at all. And we've got a Santa, or almost. The only thing we have to do now, whether it's Santa or one of our Halloween ones, is to put a little bit of glue on the accessories and stick them where they need to go. So for Santa, we've got his beard and nose, and the pom-pom for the top of his hat. Now with some of our other bookmarks, you'll be able to be a little bit more creative, making your own jack-o'-lantern face or decorating your own Christmas tree, but for Santa it's pretty straightforward. There we go. We have a perfect Santa. Thumbs up. Let's take a look at some of the other bookmarks that we have available at Teach This. Halloween bookmarks, Christmas bookmarks. Now for these bookmarks, which are a triangle instead of a diamond shape, all you need to do is take that back flap and fold it in half and tuck it inside along with the tabs. After that, you glue on everything just as normal. Well, I hope that's helped figure out these simple origami bookmarks and that you are just going to love them this Christmas, Halloween, or whatever holiday you've got them for. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in our next one.